Okay, hello everyone. Hope you're all having a nice day. Let me begin with a quick introduction. Every student deserves learning that listens, adapts, and makes them want to continue. Meet the study grid, an accessible voice powered adventure where notes become quests and confusion becomes confidence. So, yeah, let me begin. First of all, let me walk you through the most important part of the application where I have used Codex GPT 5.6 Sol. So, yep, I learned a lot of prompt engineering through this project application, and the most challenging part where I faced a lot of challenges was Grid, which is my voice assistant. So I had to work a lot to improve its voice, to make it more clearer, to make it interact with the application, and it is the best part of my application. So, yep, now let me walk you through the application. So, meet Crit. Hang tight to listen her voice.
Welcome back. Hello, I am Crid. 5 neurons, excellent posture. I refined your notes into 5 concepts and picked one at random. What is mitochondria, and what is the key idea behind it? Explain it in your own words. I am clever, curious, and legally prohibited from reading your mind.
Okay, so this application is for learning students, kids, and even for adults. So here we can choose from various options just for a demo purpose, or increasing your knowledge. The main important part is we can upload our own material. We can either write it, we can speak it out, we can upload a PDF, and it will just turn that specific test into a conversational scenario. So, yep, like this, and even I can answer whatever it has asked. So I forgot the question. Let me just give some vague answer. Okay, mitochondria releases usable energy from food through cellular respiration.
That explanation has been accepted by the Department
Okay,
of Not Being
it has
Confusing.
accepted.
Your answer
So,
matches the notes on mitochondria release.
given the time constraint, let me walk you through the other parts of the application. Here we can choose various topics to get started with the quizzes. These are just some of the 240 plus topics which we can choose from, just to for just this is for kids and students to increase their vocabulary and knowledge. And here is the most important part where we can upload our notes. We can speak them out, we can upload a lecture, an audio, or anything, and everything will be converted into a quiz, into an MCQ, which will prepare the students, the adults, the kids for their exams, whether it is an MCQ exam, whether it is for a kid, a student, an an adult. So
Welcome back.
TalkToGrid
That
also
explanation
had,
has been accepted by the Department of Not Being.
So TalkToGrid, I just wanted to say, TalkToGrid also has this option for interview, where a person can prepare for his or her interview by interacting with Grid. So yep, and the next thing is Easy View. This is for visually impaired and specially abled students, for them to access this website. It will make them more accessible. So yep, you see the colors have changed, the fonts have changed, and the Speak My Notes, Upload a Lecture were specially added for them to make it accessible to them. So yep, I hope you liked my application, and please try it out. I have included the links. So yep, thank you, bye.